Hi, it's Polly from Be Away Cruising. I'd like to introduce you to a new feature on our cruise website called Price Tracker. When planning a cruise, you might find that prices change, and it can be exhausting to keep checking if your desired cruise has become more affordable. Our Price Tracker feature will help you know when it's the best time to book. So how do we use this great new feature? To get started, log into your account or sign up if you're new to the site. You can access these options on the top right-hand corner. Now search for the cruises you're interested in. When you find a cruise you like, select it. You'll notice below the itinerary, there's a price graph displaying the price changes over the past few months. However, we don't expect you to keep checking if you're still not ready to book. Simply, save the cruise by clicking the Save button at the top, and we will email you every time there's a change in price. What if you haven't quite made up your mind about which cruise to book yet? Well, what's great about this feature is that you can save multiple cruises simultaneously. Why not try it out? We hope you enjoy using Price Tracker. If you have any questions, don't forget to contact us.